Day 2, Problem 1. Part A, identify the x-intercept and y-intercept for the graph of 4x plus y equals 6. To find the x-intercept, we can take that equation and substitute a 0 in place of the variable y. That would create the equation 4x plus 0 equals 6, or 4x equals 6. And then to solve for x, divide by 4. So x is equal to 6 divided by 4, which reduces to 3/2, or as a decimal, 1.5. The x-intercept as an ordered pair is 1.5, 0. For the y-intercept, we can use this equation and substitute a 0 in place of the letter x. So that would be 4 times 0 plus y is equal to 6. 4 times 0 is just 0, and 0 plus y is y. So y is equal to 6. As an ordered pair, 0, 6. So here in part A is the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Now part B, graph this equation. To find this diagonal line, we can use these two dots and then draw a line through them. So first, 1.5, 0. From the origin, I'm going to locate 1.5 over 1 and then an extra 0.5. Here is the x-intercept. And 0, 6. From the origin up to the 6, here is the y-intercept. And then drawing a line through the dots, here is the graph of this equation. Now, day 2, problem 2. The value of an automobile, V of t, is a function of its age in years, t. A vehicle is worth $30,000 new and depreciates $4,000 each year. Part A, write a function equation for the situation. Okay. We are told to use the symbols V of t to represent the value of the automobile, and that value is equal to $30,000 when new, but then as time goes by, the value is decreasing. So subtract $4,000 each year, and we're told to use the variable t to be the age in years. So there is a t next to the 4,000. Now in part B, we can use that equation to find the value of vehicles that are 1 year and 3 years and 6 years old. So V of 1 would be equal to 30,000, subtract 4,000 times 1. Or 30,000 subtract 4,000, which is $26,000. Next, for 3 years, let's find V of 3. That is $30,000, subtract 4,000 times 3. 4,000 times 3 is $12,000, and 30,000 subtract 12,000 is $18,000. And now for 6 years, a vehicle that is 6 years old, its value can be found by taking $30,000 and subtracting 4,000 times 6. 4,000 times 6 is 24,000, and 30,000 subtract 24,000 is $6,000. So a vehicle that is 1 year old costs $26,000. A vehicle that is 3 years old costs $18,000, and a vehicle that is 6 years old costs or is worth $6,000.